the entire pandemic has affected everybody, and so is the schooling sector as well. Especially in Karnataka. First of all, schools are not opening anywhere in India, and in Karnataka, the education minister has decided to ban the online class as well. Online session. So we had actually planned not to take online classes earlier as well. It was more of like an interactive session like what we have today. But through teachers and maybe very constructive way, engaging the children and all that. I can see everyone, all the children are so happy seeing us. So if we would have a continuous journey to get a regular online session, then children would have been very happy and engaging themselves in a very constructive way. But unfortunately, that's not happening. Schools are affected, they are not opening, and got to know recently, it's not a news, but got to know recently that this whole year the schools are not going to open in Karnataka. Even the pre-recorded videos are also banned yesterday. Earlier, education minister had told that pre-recorded videos can be sent, but now there's a ban on that as well. So now parents are left with no option rather than teaching at home. So we have come up with the solution of homeschooling. Right, before I talk about homeschooling, what it is and how it works and all that, I just want to mention that the parents should think about the child. I'm sure you will have this feeling.
अंकिता नोडु
मुझे गर्मी लग रहा है. नहीं, फैन नहीं ऑन करो.
लाइट ऑन ಮಾಡಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ
They are not able to send the child to the school, as well as online classes and online sessions are also banned now. So parents are not left with an option to keep the child at home only. So I would request you all to think about the child's whole year. So let's not waste one whole academic year for the child, because the child learns every second, every day. Right? So if the child doesn't go to school, no problem, the education still can be given at home. Exposure of the to different activities for the brain development of the child should always be done at home also. So do not waste the time of the child, or do not just leave the child. Okay, he's very small, she's very small, so it's okay if the child leaves. But then the damage can happen, and you can see the damage later on in the future, in the coming years as well. Because hopefully you would have seen the online session circular which we had sent, where I have mentioned that there are a lot of neuron developments, neuron connections which happens in a second. 700 neuron connections happen in 1 second. So just imagine billions of neuron connections being missing if you miss the 1 year of education for the child. So think wisely and take a decision whether it's a good thing to homeschool the child or not. From my side, I would say please do not miss the academic year. Please try to engage the child in some or the other way. Right, so about homeschooling I would talk now. We have come up with the homeschooling with our own curriculum. We have a very well developed and research curriculum in KidSpace, which we are following from 9 years. This is our 10th academic year, so we have a lot of curriculum, worksheet, assessment sheets and activities with us, which we will be providing you on a regular basis. A weekly timetable will be sent to you via KidSpace app or WhatsApp, or if you are comfortable with mail, you can send the email ID. We will share the contents in the email as well, so not a problem in that. And then you can take the entire, you can call us anytime for with respect to any doubts, any clarification, or any you are confused to do the activities or the child is not listening or something, you can call us anytime for the clarification. From our side, we will be sending a continuous curriculum and assessment and activity sheets to you, and a weekly timetable as well. Okay. If you don't have KidSpace number, please note it down. I'll just put a message also. Please save the number so that you can contact us anytime. It is 903-606-5205. We are always available on call or on WhatsApp. Consider that number as your call center number, and call us anytime with respect to your child's schooling needs. Also, I would like to add a point that we are not sure whether the school is going to open this year or not, but then if the school opens, you are free to send the child to the child as a regular schooling kid only. Even if the child is homeschooled, still you can continue sending the child as a regular school kid also. Okay, now about homeschooling. So admissions are open, and admission fees is 15,000 for the whole academic year, and this includes everything. There is no hidden charges, there is no extra cost which you have to bear apart from printing the worksheets and activity sheets. So that printing part you have to take care, but other than this 15,000, there is no extra charges will be there. This you have to pay at the time of admission, and once the admission is done, immediately within 10 days you will get your books and worksheets, right? You can start the education immediately without wasting a single day. And once you come to collect the books to KidSpace, you have to give us 30 minutes time at least, so that we can brief you that how this works and how you have to teach the child, how you have to engage the child in a constructive manner. You have to stop being mother when you are sitting with the child with the books. You have to behave and talk like a teacher, right? So all these small tips here and there we will keep giving you, so that mother, father and the child have a smooth journey during the homeschool, so that both the parties don't get into a stress level. Okay, then weekly timetable will be sent through KidSpace app or WhatsApp, or if you are comfortable with email, we'll send in that also. Then worksheet also will be sending in the same format, but most of the time worksheet will be sent on a WhatsApp, because sometimes KidSpace attachment doesn't support certain formats, so WhatsApp also will be there. And with respect to assessment sheet means exam paper basically. So we do have examination papers with us, which we will be sending you. First one would be in the month of September, second one would be in the month of January, and third would be in the month of March. We will be sending you subject wise also. So you have to take a printout of those assessment sheet, and also we will send you the guidelines that how you should be taking the assessment of the child. For example, mother should not write anything, or holding of hand is not allowed, or prompting is allowed but holding of the hand is not allowed. So small guidelines here and there also we will be sending you along with the assessment sheet, so that at home only the child can take the assessment, and you have to send those assessment papers, the filled ones, to us either on a mail or on a WhatsApp. Here teachers will do the correction, and once the correction is done, we will give you a feedback on where the child needs improvement or where the parent has to focus more, right? The feedback will be on-call interaction, or you can come to KidSpace for the same. That will be done only after the assessment correction. And once assessment 1, 2, 3 is complete, and we have all the result of the child, after that the child can get certificate of completion of that particular class with KidSpace. So the graduation certificate will be given to the child after the completion of 3 assessment. We will give the certificate only if all 3 assessments are completed, not just 1 or 2. So all 3 has to complete, then we'll certify the child as graduated. And please think about not missing the academic year, and little bit of seriousness towards education of the child you have to get, so that assessment also happens properly, right? And maybe it might happen that Okay, you don't want to send the child this year. For example, the child is in nursery. You don't want to send the child to nursery. Next year directly you would like to put the child in LKG. But I'm really not sure whether other schools would allow that or not, because the foundation would not have built. The child from playgroup going to LKG is really stressful for the parent, teachers and the child, of course, because lot of stress would come to the child. Suddenly from level 1 the child is going to level 3. It's difficult for the child to cope up also. So think about that. And all the things we will be giving you from Kidspace. We are giving one more option to the parents, which is called private tuition. So if you are not able to give time, or the time is not suitable for you, or the child is not listening or sitting with you, you can go with the private tuition. In that you have to contact us. We will give you the reference of the teachers, and you can coordinate directly with the teacher and get into either online session, or the child can come to the teacher's house, or teacher can come to your house to teach. So it's completely depending on the parent that how you are coordinating with the teacher and taking the private tuition from them. And whatever the fees also is there for the teacher, it's directly dealt between the parent and the teacher. Kidspace won't be involved in private tuition. So the option is left to the parent whether you want the private tuition or you don't want the private tuition. But however, we are there to help you in terms of teachers and their reference number.